Not those kind of shorts. Let's talk about these kind of shorts, electrical shorts. One of the most common calls we get to tech support goes like this. I need some technical support. My 3-amp fuse keeps blowing on my board and I don't know why. My first reaction to a call like that usually is, let me look into my crystal ball to find your short. Because I'm not on the job site and there's a process to go through to try to find a short in the electrical circuits. So the only way that I could really find your short for you is by looking into my crystal ball and seeing what I can find. However, that being said, there have been a couple of times in the history of the product that there are issues that arise from time to time that cause shorts. One of those is the metal defrost switch that you find on many heat pumps to initiate defrost. This metal switch, when it fails internally and shorts to ground, then grounds out to the copper tubing, causing the fuse on the control board to blow. So by replacing the switch with a new one, you'll take care of your short issue. Another issue that we saw time and time again was on a high pressure switch on a certain product, where the wires coming out the back end of the high pressure switch were up against the metal cabinet of the unit. After a period of time, those wires would rub through to the metal cabinet and cause a short to ground, blowing the fuse. So there you would have to find those wires and tape them and keep them from grounding out to the metal cabinet. And then we have the story of the dog and the cow. A couple of our service managers have gotten calls where there's been a short on an outdoor unit, and we come to find out that either a dog or a cow has been chewing on the thermostat wires leading to the outdoor unit. So this is another area you need to look at if the homeowner has pets, or if it's on a farm where the cows can get close to the outdoor unit. We've seen this numerous times where the outdoor thermostat wire has been chewed through and has caused either a short or caused the outdoor unit not to operate. In order to track down a short, if you're feeling lucky, you can purchase a whole bunch of fuses to use the fuse to find your short. But if you're not very lucky, this could get pretty expensive. Many techs save parts out of old furnaces to test for shorts. For example, this 5-amp circuit breaker taken out of an old furnace can be used multiple times when testing for shorts. You can also purchase devices like this, the little popper, which is available at most supply houses and even available through Amazon. If you really have to get serious about finding a short in an air conditioning system, you may have to purchase a tracer kit, which has devices that you can use to trace down circuits and find out where the shorts are. So as we've shown in this video, there is a process to find a short in an HVAC system. Let's review. Begin by checking with the manufacturer for known short issues. There have been some over the history of many products. Secondly, visually inspect the wiring and all connections and plugs. Check all wiring bundles for bare wires and burnt areas on boards. Begin to isolate circuits. Pull as many plugs off of the control board and see if your short goes away. If the short goes away, put each connection plug back onto the board one by one until you find the circuit that has the short. If pulling plugs and connections off of the board does not reveal the short, then begin looking at major components such as your transformer. If all the basic steps fail to reveal your short, you may need to get a short tracker to track down the short.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.